And please, therefore, my appeal to every one of you sitting here, don't think core engineering is something which is not productive, which may not pay you properly. Therefore, get into some other domain. It's not so. Gone are those days. Yeah, core engineering basically requires, I've given some examples. Many more are there. I just give only one related to electrical engineers who would like to become electrical engineers. Here, number of electrical vehicles plying as on today on Indian roads is, any guess? Any guess? Just 3 to 4 years back, it was about 20,000 in the entire country. And if you see the state of Telangana, I think it may be contributing more than 2,000 vehicles as a small state to the nation. Today we have about 60,000. By 2030, it's going to touch 3 million, 30 lakh, just another 4 to 5 years to come. So much scope for people working in electronics, electrical, mechanical sectors. I think if I keep on telling like this, there are many stories which are happening. These are all happening in the nation. I would like to take more questions from you rather than me giving the statistics or the importance of these sectors. Many students, it seems, have made up their mind to get into computers. Okay? Question? Every sector related to civil, ultimately I tell, mechanical, aerospace, electrical and civil, biotechnology and biomedical engineering. Lot of research, lot of instrumentation development is taking place in the country, including some of the private universities, wherein the traditional mode method of giving medicine, we take tablet, no? And we expect it to work. But now, if we have problem somewhere here, medicine is directly communicated to this point. If it is here, to this point. So that the gestation period is quite less. That is, the time difference between the application of the tablet or injection, whatever it is, and starting of the action, it takes some time. So that is reduced, and side effects are reduced. Directly the medicine is applied to that particular point where you have the problem by the development of drug-related bots. It's a small robo. How many of us know? All these things are developing, and then in the state of Andhra Pradesh, our neighborhood, and it's a Telugu state, one of the best facilities has come up with the investment by the central government, AMTZ, Andhra Pradesh Medical Tech Zone, with about plus 100 startups, wherein they are manufacturing your CT scan machine, X-ray machine, so many other appliances. How many of us know? Biomedical engineering is booming like anything. Biotechnology, I think sky is the limit for them to work upon, starting from agriculture sector to bioremediation and contribution to the waste disposal, treatment of the waste. Till yesterday, in India, we did not visualize the scenario and the impacts on the society from different angles or from different sectors. But now we have come out with a tremendous vision to develop each and every sector of the nation. It may be development of a smart city, or maybe a hydro project, or maybe development of aerospace, development of railways. If you see, so many changes are happening. And we have come to the level of manless driving. Namesake driver is there. in your Hyderabad metro, started with Delhi metro, then Nama metro. I come from Karnataka. We call it as Nama metro, our metro, Bangalore Metro Rail Corporation. It is driverless system totally. The guy is sitting there just to oversee the things. He has nothing to do. Everything is automated. That is industrial automation. Which branch pursues? Do you know? Electronics engineering. Everything is based on signals. Now we are coming out with ADAS system. Already it is there in Tesla, but it may not work on Indian roads because I need not tell. I am a new guy to Hyderabad. I am finding very tough to drive here. I don't know. If you go to junction, from which side a guy comes and then crosses you. It may be left to right, right to left, and opposite cross also. So in this system, in this I think very chaotic traffic we have. We have jamming traffic in Bangalore, but more systematic. Delhi we have much higher traffic, but more systematic. Therefore, in our roads it may not work, but with that intention, we should not leave the technology. Some of the universities have got this ADAS system. If you drive the vehicle, have that system, it senses the vehicle distance and automatically, without your intervention, your vehicle stops. At 1 meter distance or 2 meter distance, whatever you want. How many of us we know? And we are now, for all future EVs, adopting that. So that we improve. Like this, in every sector related to core engineering, tremendous changes are taking place, and then India is going to be a leader. At the end, I would give the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister. We are 5th largest economy in the world. 5th largest economy. And our vision is by 2030 to become 3rd largest. And we are just close to Germany, very close to Germany by less than 0.1%. I am very sure with the enthusiasm of all of you sitting here, youngsters, you can take advantage of this vision and make India a global leader in everything. I will conclude my talk with few words related to all engineering branches. A civil engineer builds this beautiful auditorium wherein we are all sitting. A mechanical engineering must have struggled hard to provide you all these chairs.